gear today. Oh, awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, to complete the Royal Purple collection, I have ordered from my friends at Aguilar Amplification a Royal Purple. Oh, yes. DB751 case. That case. Dun-dun-dun. Oh, it's gorgeous. So are you. You're gorgeous. Oh, it's incredible. That's gonna look so
That's
nice.
purple.
I know, huh? It matches
like
this.
mouse purple.
Yep, it's pretty rad. All right, so it's in an SKB right now, and I'm officially retiring it to the interior of the studio because I got the Tonehammer 700. This heavy sucker doesn't need to leave the house. So let's do this. 5 minutes later. Oh yeah, that is sexy. Sexy Royal Purple. Let's get it on a speaker. Let's see what we look like. All right, here it is. Ooh, look at that purple. It is sitting on top of the 115, which is on top of the 410, because the 410 has casters, but that could easily be the 210 right there. Oh yeah. It looks amazing, and it weighs 9 gajillion pounds, so it is definitely staying home, which is perfect. Sweet. Play Aguilar, everybody.